Hello, welcome to Unity and welcome home. My name is Kimmery Mapletoft and I am the Director and Spiritual Leader of Silent Unity, our prayer ministry and Daily Word in the UK. But I'm also a human being on a spiritual journey, a journey that is an awakening one, awakening to who I am, who you are, who we are together. As such, I recognize and I am deeply grateful for unity and this spiritual community that we are building. And I invite you to dive in, to join us and be part of it in any way that serves and supports you. As such, we offer our prayer ministry, Silent Unity, that offers affirmative prayer that helps us awaken to the truth of who we are. We offer Daily Word, our bi-monthly devotional booklet that has daily readings to inspire, to encourage, to support you on your journey. We have online events that we use through Zoom to help us connect through prayer, through meditation and stillness. And we have services each month and a book discussion group twice a month, all designed to help us connect with our inner truth that is revealed through us, our spiritual light, our beauty, our creativity, all that we came here to be and know and do together. So explore our website. There is much on there that we pray will support and enable you on your own journey of awakening. Let us grow and learn and evolve into the beings that we came here to be. And as we support each other, we help reveal the light that we are, the light that seeks to be known. So join us and look out for even more ways in which we can do this together as we build spiritual community, as we support each other, love each other, listen to each other, and reveal the truth that seeks to be known. Bless you.